Howdy friends, my name's Sergio from ApplianceSys and I want to give you a walkthrough of the media library. First thing is you're going to get a link which will take you to your sign-in. So your sign-in credentials, this might be shared. You could have a shared login for an entire district or maybe just a school, or maybe each teacher is going to have their own sign-in. No matter what, you want to sign in. And that's going to take you to your media library. Let me get rid of this really quick. And you should have a nice blank media library. So the first thing I want to let you know is that right over here we can create folders. So if this is me, just a teacher, I might have maybe Unit 1, Cell Division. I taught high school biology. Or if this is like a shared for a building, maybe there's a folder for the different teams. Maybe there's a first grade team folder, second grade team folder, but everybody has the same sign-in, which works just as fine. All right, so I want to, we can add videos to the media library from YouTube here. And let's take a look at what it looks like. So I've done a search already, mitosis versus meiosis. And when I click on this video, you know, I predictably get a YouTube ad. I've got some stuff that I don't want because my students are going to be watching. They're going to be tempted to watch the World Cup video instead of the educational one that I've picked out. So what I want to do is I'm going to copy the URL, this link at the top at the YouTube video that you want to see. And go back to my media library and click this media strip right here. And let's paste the URL and press submit. So while the video is loading, you know, we've got our folders. I'm going to take a look inside. Once it's done, it's going to take a minute. If this video were 20 minutes long, it would still be doable. It's just going to take a little bit longer, so be ready. And here's our video. This is a preview of what it looks like for the students. So notice all the distracting content is gone. The ad is gone. My students can watch the video. If they need to fast forward, it's immediate, no buffering, and so forth. Down here at the bottom, here's the key part. Sharing it with your students. First off, this is the link that will direct them to this video that's playing here on the Cashbox. We can copy that and paste it wherever. We also have, if you're in like an iPad school or students with a lot of cell phones, we've got the QR code button just to the right of that. But I'm going to copy this, and let's take this video that we've now uploaded. We've cut out the YouTube stuff that we don't want. And let's go to our Google Classroom. Now, I'll use Google Classroom as an example. It's almost exactly the same process if you're on Canvas or Schoology or something different. So I'm going to do an announcement. And let's see, agenda. Watch this video, then do X and Y, and finally Z with a partner, right? Normal school directions. You have a couple choices now. You can go ahead and just paste the long URL address, or most things have this like link button right here. Some version of that where you can kind of paste in the link and it'll kind of make it a little bit nicer looking. So either way works, and let's press post. So we've shared it with our students. When our students come and view it, notice this becomes an actual button that they can direct them to it. Or it can be this nice kind of link version here. It doesn't matter, both work. And this is now what the student sees. The video is going to pop out and it's ready for them to play. And they'll have to go back to Google on a new tab so they can still go back to Google Classroom to see what they need to do next. Pretty nice. All right, so we want to close that. And let's talk a little bit more about the teacher side of things while I have you. So I've loaded up a video, but I actually want this video inside the Cell Division folder. This is my first unit collection. If I click on this video, so this process is a little bit different. We're working on kind of a click and drag approach, similar to like Google Docs, but for now, this is how it is. I've advised that we update it. So we click on the video that we want to move. I'm gonna click the scissors. Again, what I'm doing here is I want to move this video inside the folder or move it out. It would be the same process. So right down here, click and click your scissors. And once I open up the folder, now I can press paste. And so I'm moving it. I'm overwriting from where it is and I'm rewriting it to where it should go. And now this video is inside right up here. You can see it, the Cell Division unit. So if I go back to my top library. There it goes. All right, I think that's enough to get you guys started. It's fantastic. You don't have to worry about your students kind of cruising all over YouTube anymore. If you've got it blocked, now you can give students individual access. Enjoy it and have a good one. Thanks.